So like we have started our journey yesterday from Kolhapur. We came to Mumbai and we started our journey from Pune in the afternoon, and we have been stuck since afternoon in Pune itself. There has been no information from the police at all, proper information regarding the traffic situation, what's going on over there, what has happened, and what precautions we should be taking ahead. Should we travel further or not? None of the information was given to us. So we started our journey again in the morning. We came to the toll. Even they are not even stopping us before the toll as well. They are deducting the tolls and sending us ahead to get stuck over there again. So this is the situation over here. We have got stuck again. Yes, you can see over here. Again the traffic has piled up. The authorities should at least let us know that what is the situation where the traffic is crucial to stop. And they are not providing any information regarding that. So at least let the people know that they should travel ahead or not, where the traffic is very much high and where they should stop and what route should be taken or what route should be avoided. At least this basic information should be provided by the police authorities, which has not been provided. And here also, as you can see over here, I'm standing right next to the traffic itself. There is lots of traffic over here, but no police authorities to handle the traffic or let them know or divert somewhere else. So this is only the request that please provide proper information from your end and let everybody travel safely.